It is located in the pericycle, in the vascular tissues and cortices of roots and stems. Now, there are two types of sclerenchyma tissues. We have what we call the fiber. Now, the fiber, actually, one of the major functions of the fiber is that they provide flexibility. And flexibility and resilience simply talks about the ability of a particular plant to bend without breaking. That's flexibility. Ability to bend without breaking. So once there is high number or a greater amount of sclerenchyma tissues in a particular plant, it means that that plant has the tendency or ability to bend without breaking. So there is flexibility and resilience in parenchyma tissue. So one of the types of sclerenchyma tissues, one of the types of sclerenchyma tissues is the fiber. And like I said, the fiber produces flexibility and also it produces strength. Another thing again to take note about the sclerenchyma tissue is that it produces great strength to plants. And that's the next type of sclerenchyma tissue, which is called the sclerids. It is called the sclerids. So we have two types of sclerenchyma tissue, fiber and sclerids. Fiber and sclerids. Now let's take a look at the structure of a sclerenchyma tissue. We have the longitudinal section, that's how it looks like, and then we have the cross-sectional view. Now functions of sclerenchyma tissues. Now, one of the functions of the sclerenchyma tissues, like we said before, is flexibility. It provides flexibility. Another thing again is that it provides strength, rigidity, hardness, and support to plants. It provides strength, rigidity, hardness, and support to plants. So we have two important functions for strength and for flexibility. Please take note of this. Strength and flexibility. Number three type of supporting tissues in plants is the collenchyma tissue. Now, the collenchyma tissue is also located at the cortex of the stem and the roots, okay? And it is usually found beneath the epidermis. Now, another thing again to take note of is that the sclerenchyma tissues, they consist of living, elongated, and flexible cells. So flexibility is also one of the functions of the collenchyma tissues. Now, let's take a look at the structure of the collenchyma tissue. You can see there is a protoplasm, it possesses a cell wall, and you can see the thickened corners.